On Law and Justice, we tackle common crime trends that affect our neighborhoods at large. Learn your rights and the laws behind domestic abuse. Robbery, drug offenses, theft, murder, and sex crimes. Real crime, real consequences, early prevention. Law and Justice. The names have been changed to protect the innocent.
Today on Law and Justice, we will examine domestic abuse. We will look at an altercation between a man and his wife.
In today's case on Law and Justice, a Louisiana dad accused of beating his common-law wife in front of their 2 kids. The 2 kids called 911 saying, "Daddy's hurting mommy." The offender has a history of repeated physical and psychological abuse upon his wife. As he waits for his wife to return home, he drinks a beer.
Hey, baby. Where have you been?
It is said that the father suspected his wife of having an affair with her employer. The mother attempted to leave. The 2 children witnessed their father grabbing the mother by the hair and forcing her back into the home.
Go! Get up!
The children grabbed the mother's cell phone and dialed 911.
911, what is your emergency?
Statistically, crime in East Baton Rouge Parish has gone down over the last year or 2 years, but violent crime has increased, and most of it has been attributed to domestic cases or domestic violence.
The battering stops when the police arrive and intervenes.
What have we got going on here?
It's like a domestic dispute. Arrived at the scene, acknowledged who we were, heard some screaming. Came in, he was on top of her, just rattling away.
Hey guys, everything's gonna be okay, all right? Your mom's gonna be okay. I just need y'all to come with me, okay?
The officers walked in and saw it happening. That doesn't usually happen. It's reported after the children call, but he's left. A neighbor's call because they hear it going on, and as soon as they hear the sirens or they see the lights, he's already gone. And then she doesn't want to talk about it. Or she tells the police, but by the time the prosecution gets involved, she's changed her mind, or she doesn't want to say anything.
What happened here? There was a dispute between the parents.
I'm their grandmother. Please do not take them to strangers. They know me.
And let's say mom was taken to the hospital and dad was taken to jail. The state would step in to make sure the children are safe. They may go to a grandmother or aunt or an uncle. If they sign that safety plan, the safety plan is to make sure that the offender doesn't have access to the children at the time, to make sure the children are going to be safe.
The grandmother takes the children so they won't go into foster care.
My daughter, wait. Let me see her.
Ma'am,
Oh my God.
ma'am, calm down.
Oh my
She's
God.
in serious action. Calm down, ma'am. Ma'am, let us do our job. She's gonna be fine.
She'd received serious physical injuries to her face and to her chest. The paramedics have to intubate her because she has a collapsed lung. She is rushed to the hospital. He is sorry for what he has done. He tells his wife that he loves her and promises that he would never hurt her again. She believes him and hopes that he will change.
Domestic cases are often underreported. They want to keep it in the family. They don't want someone to know. They're ashamed.
Domestic abuse has reached epidemic proportions in some of our communities. Learn about the law and the impact that this problem has had in our everyday lives.